How to translate voice message in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to translate a voice message in WhatsApp. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. And here, once you have opened the app, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. Now here, from the drop down menu, simply tap on settings. And once you are in the settings, simply scroll down and select chats. Now here in the chat section, simply scroll down and toggle on the option labeled as voice message transcripts. And after that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on choose language and select your preferred language. And after that, simply tap on set up now button at the bottom. And once the language is set, simply go back to your chats and open the individual or group conversation. And once you are inside the chat, simply long press the voice message that you want to translate. And after that, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the drop down menu, simply tap on transcribe. And after that, the voice message will be converted into the text and display in your selected language. And that's it. That's how you can translate voice message in WhatsApp. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.